Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. In the previous class, we have learned what is matrix, order of the matrix, and types of matrices. In this video, we will solve some exercise problems. Before that, three basic things we should know in the matrix. Here, I have a matrix A 1, 2, 3, 7, 8, 9. First, what are the elements in the matrix? This matrix has 6 elements. So, elements are 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 and 9. Second, order of the matrix. This matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns. So, order 2 by 3. Third, position of an element. Here, A11 element is 1 because first row, first column. Likewise, A23 element is 9, second row, third column. So A23 element is 9. Now we will go into the exercise 3.17. The first question is, in the matrix A, 8, 9, 4, 3, minus 1, root 7, root 3 by 2, 5, 1, 4, 3, 0, 6, 8, minus 11, 1. Here we have to find out first the number of elements. The number of elements m by n. Here we have 4 rows. Here we have 4 columns. So we have 16 elements in the matrix A. The second one is the order of the matrix. Which is 4 cross 4 or 4 by 4. The third one, write the elements A22. A22 means second row, second column. Second row, second column is root 7. A23, second row, third column. Second row, third column, root 3 by 2. A24, second row, fourth column, 5. Then A34, third row, fourth column, 0. A43, fourth row, third column, that is minus 11. Then finally A44, fourth row, fourth column is 1. Then the second question is, if a matrix has 18 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? What if it has 6 elements? The given matrix has 18 elements. So the orders can be 1 by 18, 18 by 1, 2 by 9, 9 by 2, 3 by 6, 6 by 3. Now we'll go to the next problem. If A matrix has 5, 4, 3, 1, minus 7, 9, 3, 8, 2, then find the transpose of A. Solution. Matrix A is 5, 4, 3, 1, minus 7, 9, 3, 8, 2. Here we have to find out transpose of A. So, A transpose. Transpose is nothing but just changing rows into columns. Likewise, this first row becomes first column. So, 5, 4, 3, 1, minus 7, 9. Second row becomes second column. Then third row becomes third column. That is 3, 8, 2. So we have found A transpose. We'll go to the next problem. The next problem is if A root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 to root 3 minus 5. Then find the transpose of minus A. Transpose of minus A. So first we have to find out minus A. Here matrix A is root 7 minus 3 minus root 5 to root 3 minus 5. First we have to find out minus A. So minus A is nothing but just change the sign of the elements. So here it becomes minus root 7, it becomes 3, then root 5, then minus 2, then minus root 3, and finally 5. This is minus A. But the question is we have to find out transpose of minus A. Now we'll find out transpose of minus A. So first row become first column minus root 7, 3. Then likewise root 5 minus 2 minus root 3, 5. Now we'll go to the next problem. Sixth one. If A is equal to 5, 2, 2 minus root 17, 0.7, 5 by 2, 8, 3, 1. Then verify that A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. A is 5, 2, 2 minus root 17, 0.7, 5 by 2, 8, 3, 1. First we have to find out A transpose. We'll change this first row as first column. So 5, 2, 2 minus root 17, 0.7, 5 by 2. Second row as second column. Then third row 8, 3, 1. Third row become third column. This is A transpose. Now we have to find out A transpose whole transpose. Now you have to transpose the matrix of A transpose. First row becomes first column. So 5 minus root 17, 8. Likewise, second column, second row becomes second column. 2, 0.7, 3. Then third row become third column. 2, 5 by 2, 1. So here A transpose whole transpose is equal to A, because all the elements is equal to A. We'll go to the next problem. Find the values of x, y and z from the following equations. First one, 12, 3, x, 5 is equal to y, z, 3, 5. Here we have to find out x, y and z values. First of all, we'll write the question. Y, z, 3, 5. So this x value is equal to 3. Likewise, y value is equal to first element. Y is equal to 12. And then z value which is equal to the next one. Here the question is x plus y plus z, x plus z, y plus z, which is equal to 9, 5, 7. We'll write this as equations. X plus y plus z equal to 9. Then x plus z is 5. Then y plus z is 7. Here we have x plus z is 5. So I write x plus z as 5. Then y is equal to 9. This 5, when it goes that side, it becomes minus. So y value is 4. Now we have found y value. Here we have to find out z value using the y value. So I am substituting the y value. 4 plus z is equal to 7. Z is equal to 7 minus 4. So z value is 3. Now we have found y value and z value. One more value we have to find out, that is x. So substitute the z value here. X plus 3 is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 minus 3. X is equal to 2. Solve the homework problem. We'll see in the next video. Thanks for watching.